Hi, this is Selena. Today, let's introduce the Odoo Timesheet module, an ideal solution for accounting firms struggling with time tracking, timely billing, and invoicing, as well as project management. Even today, a world full of AI tools, many accounting firms or law firms still rely on Excel sheets or Google Sheets to track employee hours manually, which can be time-consuming. People can make mistakes from time to time, especially switching between tabs and spreadsheets. Odoo actually offers a fully integrated solution tailored for accounting and legal professionals. It can improve time tracking accuracy, it can automate billing process and invoicing process. Better yet, it connects seamlessly with Odoo's project management tools, so you can measure your tasks and projects, monitor your client work, and view dashboard and reports all in one place. So without further ado, let's jump directly into the Odoo system. So now we are in the sales module. We have already configured the products. Let's click the bookkeeping. For this product, of course, it's a service product. So we choose create on order, project and task. And for invoicing policy, based on timesheet. For sales price, you can put $70 per hour. And as I live in Ontario, the sales tax should be HST. 30%. And the cost, you can put 20 per hour. We also create a quotation. So if we click the order and quotation and click into it, so we can see for the quotation sales quote for the customer label group Inc., we have two products. One bookkeeping, the sales quote is based on the quantity 3 and the unit hours. Also for the corporate return, per return we charge say $5,000 per return. Okay, this will be the final quote to our clients. And also once the quotation is created, we can see one project is linked. So if we click into the project, we'll be able to see the detail. And we can also click into the tasks. It's actually linked to the project module. So what do you see here? You can see in the project module exactly the same. For example, I click the project, send the company, and voila, they are basically the same structure. So there are 3 columns. First to do, second in progress, third done. We can also change the name from done to completed if you wish. Okay, so it seems like only the task which is open can be seen. We can also click it, then the completed one can also be seen. Also, if it's not finished, we can drag it to the in progress. We can also, of course, drag it back. So it's quite flexible. Now let's look at the timesheet, which is the core module we are going to introduce today. So if we click into my timesheet, you can see I have already logged some time for different tasks, different projects. So here is the project. After project, you can see as the detailed task. Also, for different date, there is a sum of the time spent. So you can also see like in different weeks, previous week or weeks in the future. And you can also see to do if you have some to-do list set up. Of course, you can change it. You can revise the time from 60 to 65. Okay, and you can also click into it to see the details. If you want to add something, you can add. Okay, so after you adjust it, you can also click the timesheet. Now we are back to the timesheet. Usually when we use the timesheet, we can click the start and we can choose the project like internal. We can then choose training or a meeting if there is any. Here we can choose the time as 20 minutes. In the timesheet, we also have reporting function. So we can report by project. So for example, any capital has already been spent like 345 minutes and 15 seconds. Also, we can report by task. Okay, so it will be separate first by project, then by its task. Also, in the project module, we have reporting function. Like if we choose the measure like time spent, we can see different times spent on different tasks. And if we choose like progress, and of course we can choose different type of chart or table. So one thing is also very useful is that you can click that project, then it will flow through to the particular task. Lastly, you can also create invoice. Let's go back to our sales quote, the quotations. You can also create invoice. For example, if you decide to create an invoice either each week or each project, you can click create invoice and then choose the regular invoice. Okay, so time period, you can choose this. You can choose like from June 8th to June 14th. So this is already a very comprehensive and powerful system that you can use to track your time, to generate your invoice and send to your client automatically. Can of course help with the automation, and don't hesitate to contact us if you need to streamline your business system. We provide quick deployment solution which can be implemented and completed within 1 week or 2 weeks at most. We also provide large-scale enterprise solution for those manufacturing companies, e-commerce companies. So don't hesitate to contact us.